You've seen the Chrome Dino game. You've maybe even coded your own version. But what if I told you, mine plays itself? Yup. I rebuilt the classic Dino game in Python, added power-ups, a leaderboard, and trained it to react like a real player. Zero hands. Just code. Stick around, you'll see how I pulled this off, how the logic works, and how you can build one too. I started off building the game in Python using Pygame, jump mechanics, obstacles, scoring, everything, even power-ups and a working leaderboard. It looked great, but there was one problem: I still had to play it myself. So I thought, what if the Dino could play without me? Could I code it smart enough to survive on its own? I added a few lines of logic that scan the screen for obstacles. If something's close, and the Dino is grounded, it jumps automatically. No machine learning. Just real-time decision-making, and it works shockingly well. Oh, and remember those cool power-ups? They're still here. Slow-motion orbs, speed boosts, and the AI handles them too. Plus, the leaderboard tracks AI performance. So yeah, I'm now competing against my own bot. This project was wild to build, part game dev, part AI challenge, and 100% fun. Hit like if you want to try it yourself, and comment if I should take this to the next level with machine learning or neural networks. And don't forget, if the Dino can learn to play, so can you.